Hi, today's tutorial will be how to do mini twists as a protective style. Today's products I am using is Carol's Daughter's new Cocoa Cream Curl Enhancing Moisture Butter, my L Organics Pomegranate Curling Jelly, and Murray's Edge Wax. To get started, whenever I am protective styling my hair, I like to stretch my hair, so I semi-blow dry my hair before twisting my hair. If you are wondering, I am using the $1 Tangle Teaser dupe that I got from the dollar store. Since I plan to wear these twists for 4 to 5 days, you want to use a heavy leave-in that really moisturizes your hair. And then I wanted to seal my hair with a good curling jelly so it can define my hair. So I decided to try something new with my twists and do a half up, half down style and lay down my edges. And I'm really happy how everything turned out. So this is day 2 of my twists. This is day 5 of wearing my twists. This is how my twist out looked once I unraveled all of my twists. This is the last day of my twist out. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.